Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let me give you a quick rundown on how to measure a shirt, a vintage shirt. So starting from the shoulder, from this bone to the other end, both sides. Now you can also gaze or make sure that, judging from the particular shirt that the person is putting on, you understand? So this particular shoulder is 18. Now if you are going to measure the sleeve, you are going to start from the point where the shoulder stopped. See, I'm measuring the sleeve. That way you are going to get an accurate measurement. Now if you're measuring the wrist here, now while measuring the wrist, you see that, look at this very well, the wrist is actually 9 inches and not 8 inches. 9 inches and not 8 inches. You make sure that it's overlapping, and then once it overlaps, the measurement is what you are going to use as the wrist. Now the chest, it is not going to be that tight. It is definitely has to be very free, like the one you are seeing in this video. I'll show you that again. It has to be this free. Make sure that it fits in. Now vintage shirts are not meant to be fitted. It has to be free. So if you can see that. Now the length is usually as the person wants it to be, but it's usually around, it has to cover your flap, the trouser flap. Once it covers the flap, then that's okay. So if you're measuring the neck, same thing that is applied to the wrist is applied to the neck. Okay, now you can see that how this neck is placed. You can see, but the actual neck measurement now is 16 instead of that 15. It has to cover up by 1 inches. Okay, so that's all for now. Thanks for watching.